I'll guide you through how to learn coding for beginners. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go to scratch.mit.edu using your web browser. Once the page loads, click the Join Scratch button to begin signing up for an account. Enter your preferred username in the designated field. Then create and confirm a password to complete the registration process. After signing in, locate and click the Create button at the top of the page to open the project editor. Inside the editor, you'll find several block categories on the left side. The Motion category lets you move your object in different directions. The Looks category allows you to change the appearance of your object or add text and comments. The Events category enables you to trigger actions when specific events occur. The Control category contains commands and logic structures like loops and conditions. The Sensing category helps your object detect things such as collisions or input. The Operators category allows you to perform math or logic operations. The Variables category lets you create and manage data storage. The My Blocks category lets you create custom code blocks. To customize your object's appearance, click the Costumes tab. Add new objects by clicking Choose a Sprite and add a background using Choose a Backdrop.